Hey guys, what's up? This is my 1999 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.9 liter V8 Magnum. It's been making some weird noises, it's been doing some weird things. The transmission overheated on the way home last weekend, and it was making a weird kind of a knocking noise when it was cold. So I thought that might have been the water pump. I replaced the water pump and started it up last night. Still made the knocking noise when it was cold. It doesn't seem like rod knock to me, because after it warms up it quits and it doesn't speed up with the engine. The next thing we tried was putting this in here, this oil treatment. It's like a really thick, real thick engine oil. It says it treats noisy lifters. And we put this in here and the noise stopped. So I'm worried maybe it was lifters or valve noise, something like that. I don't know if that's connected to the tranny overheating. When it overheated, it just shifted out of overdrive. This is 4-speed automatic, and it shifted out of overdrive, and a little light came on and wouldn't shift back up. So I googled that and it said that meant your transmission overheated. It's done that before, but that was when I was out of coolant, and I wasn't out of coolant this time, so I don't know. It hasn't done it. It does a little bit since I put this oil treatment in, but it nowhere near as much as it did with the knocking noise. So I'll start it up again and see if you can hear it at all. Well, of course, now it's not doing it, so I don't know. Maybe it was the lifters. I don't know what to think of it. If you guys have any ideas, or if anyone's ever come across this problem before, it'd be really helpful if you could let me know in the comment section. It'd be really nice. Really need my truck. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you later.